Hi, I'm Nick from Cellular, and we're here to talk about a few things you can do with the Motorola Xoom. The first thing we want to go over, when you first get it out of the box, you need a Wi-Fi connection. So if you click on the bottom right corner, and then you click where it says no internet connection, and then click Wi-Fi. And then right here you need to turn on Wi-Fi, so check the box. It'll take just a second, and then it'll scan for any networks, and then pick your network. And if there's a password required, it'll ask for it right here. And we'll just hit connect. And then once we're connected, you're pretty much good to go. So if you hit the home button, it'll take you back out to the main screen here. And the first thing we want to do is install an app. So we'll click on Market. And an app that's really useful on pretty much every Android device is a file explorer. One of my favorites is Astro. So type that in there. Astro File Manager, it's free. And install. And it'll tell you what it can do, what stuff it can read, what it can interface with on the Xoom itself. So we'll accept and download. And it's a fairly small app, so it shouldn't take too long. Downloaded, installed, and that's it. So then if you want to browse your files, you can hit open, agree to the license agreement, and then pick File Manager. And this is almost like a Windows Explorer way to look through all your files, so you can see your pictures you've taken, things you've downloaded, movies, music, anything that's on there. So another thing you can do is rent movies in the new market. So what you do when you open the market, you'll click on movies, and you can pick what they have here. We're going to search for one. Let's see, Green Lantern. And you can either choose to download it or play it now. And we're going to go ahead and play it now. You can choose download to save it to the internal memory, like if you're getting on a plane. That way you can play it when you don't have Wi-Fi or any other connections. So we'll hit play. Take a second to buffer. There it is. And then if you're done, we can always watch this later, so we'll exit out of there. Another great thing on the Xoom tablets, you also have the ability to read books. There's different libraries you can install. There's the Google Books Market here, or if you want, you can install the Amazon Kindle or the Barnes & Noble Nook. Those apps work as well. We'll open the Google Market Books, and you have your library here. And we'll just look at Alice in Wonderland for now. So you just open it up and just flip right through. There's another thing you can do offline. So again, like if you're going on a plane, you can have your books all offline. Don't require an internet connection for that. Sometimes what people forget is these still run kind of like computers, and you can power it off with a switch in back. If it happens to freeze, you can restart it by holding the volume up button and then pushing the power button on the back, and it will restart. So one of the coolest things you can do on here is using your phone as a remote control to play video games. So what you have to do is set it up first. So we'll click on here, start Wi-Fi remote, and this will be the game screen. And then on the phone, we click the same button, and this will be the remote. We'll hit connect, and then play. and then you are good to go. If I can get over the bump. So those are some of the things you can do with the Motorola Xoom. If you have any more questions, stop by some of our sales locations and we'll be glad to help you, and expect some more videos coming soon.